Many may remember learning about the periodic table in high school, but have you ever wondered how those very elements came to be? An education specialist with NASA, John Weiss, came to discuss exactly how you have a connection to those very elements.
My favorite part of this talk is just the idea that so many of the elements that we take for granted actually come from previous stars. So we know that because we're here, our star is not what we call a first-generation star, that another star had to die for us to be here.
And with such a broad topic, students were able to learn a variety of things from theories of the origins of space to space exploration itself.
It was interesting to know that everything pretty much came from the stars because I didn't have any clue about that.
And I also thought it was interesting how big our galaxy is and how much they have mapped out.
And if you grew up dreaming about astronauts and NASA, Weiss says that no matter your major, you too have the possibility of working at one of the most recognized space programs.
Remember that there is a place for you at NASA no matter what your major is. We actually have employees in everything, every major that Troy has. We have people that do that at NASA.
But even if your future may not consist of space exploration, college can be a time to learn new things inside and outside your major's department.
I actually think that if there's an opportunity to better educate yourself, no matter the department, if you're available and you should definitely take advantage of that. Troy University does a great job of providing opportunities for you to have a well-rounded education, and that's very important.
Lauren Harksen, Troy, TrojanVision News.